Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change TV date and time on your ZTE Android TV box. To do it, click on the Settings button on your remote. Then go down to Device Preferences, Date and Time, and then you can enable automatic date and time, which will be provided from the internet network you're connected to, or you can turn it off so you can set date and time manually. Just like that. You can see you enter it, you can change the month, go to the right to change the date, and go to the right to change the year. You can also do the same with time. You can also change the time zone, and you can enable or disable 24-hour format. Now I'll turn the automatic date and time on again, and you'll see that I need to change the time zone manually actually. So I'll find my time zone here, because it doesn't base anything on location. This device doesn't have location most probably. So yeah, I should be able to find it somewhere here. Or not. I don't really see it, but never mind. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.